The third area of skin rejuvenation that we need to approach is texture. Now, texture of the skin can appear as rough skin. It can be acne scars and indentions of the skin, or the wrinkles, the lines around the forehead, around the eyes, and around the mouth. And these things come from loss of collagen, or collagen that's been damaged from the infection of acne, or repetitive movements from these actions that keep folding the skin and they get scored and you get a line in it, to other injuries or large pores, and so the surface of the skin just doesn't have the same firmness and smoothness. Now, normally these things just get worse over time, and people assume that that's just what they have to live with, that it just gradually gets worse as we age. But at RejuvaYou, we want you to know that that's not the case anymore, because with advances in regenerative medicine and in technologies, we can help restore that. So that energy is either ultrasound, radiofrequency, microneedling, or regenerative such as PRP or your own stem cells. All of these things can be used to help rebuild that collagen, to help restore and support that skin, help fix the indented areas of the acne scars, or help fill in those lines from the repetitive movements. So not one treatment fits all. Everybody's different. Your problems are different from everybody else's. But because we have access to so many different technologies and we have decades of experience, we can find the treatment that's just right for you.